Hello everyone, it's 𝐂𝐨𝐬𝐚𝐭𝐮𝐫𝐞, the broker owner of Florida Lifetime Realty. Today we're going to be looking at the Hemingway down in Bradenton, Florida. Let's go inside and take a look. This is going to be one of the custom options in this community. 5 builders to choose from. This one will be 3 bedroom, 3.5 bath, dedicated office, and a club room. Let's go inside and take a look. Opening up the front door. So right when you open up the front door, you do see a nice sized living space. Off the living space, you do have a beautiful chef kitchen. This is a gas community, so you do have your gas cooktop. Walking through the kitchen. Here's a view of your dedicated dining space. Love the nice big windows. Turning back around. View of your living space. Off the living space, you do have a nice dry bar right over here. Going towards the front. View of your half bath for your guest. Turning back around. View of the laundry space. Walking back through the kitchen. On this model, there is the club room option, which is right over here. It gives you additional sitting space. French doors going out to your pool. And you also have a full pool bath with a door going to the outside. Turning back around. Nice walk-in tiled shower. Turning back around. Leaving the club room. Let's go find some bedrooms. This will be the owner bedroom towards the back. Nice large windows, brings in plenty of natural light. King size bed for size reference. Going into your owner retreat. Double vanities. Nice walk-in tiled shower. And of course a sitting tub. Closets. Closet number 1. And then turning around. Closet number 2. Love the wood shelving. And like I mentioned, keep in mind this is a custom builder, so we definitely change all of the fit and finishes, leaving the owner bath back into the owner bedroom. Let's go find your guest bedrooms. So guest bedrooms will be on the other side of the property. Walking through. Guest bedroom number 1. This one does have a nice ensuite. Guest bedroom number 2. Turning back around. And again, another view of the main living space. Let's step outside to the pool area. And again, here's the pool area, absolutely beautiful. And of course, give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575 if you want more information on this model or any other builders in the community. And again, here's your backyard entertaining space. I like the nice tall sliders, your summer kitchen, and of course, a beautiful pool, hot tub, and water feature right over the lake. Of course, give me a call anytime. And of course, we're 3 miles to the famous Amenity Island. My name is 𝐂𝐨𝐬𝐴, the broker owner of Florida Lifetime Realty.